Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to understand how to add Instagram lead ads to Zoho CRM and send automated WhatsApp message. So I run a fitness studio and to promote my studio I am running some Instagram lead ads. So now here in this case I want that whenever I receive a new lead through my Instagram lead ad, then automatically that lead should be added as a new record in my Zoho CRM account so that I can keep the records of all the leads. And after that automatically an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to that lead using WhatsApp by AI Sensei. So here to build this connection, I need to connect these applications using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to understand how to add Instagram ad leads to Zoho CRM and send automated WhatsApp message. So as I've already mentioned in my introduction that I run a fitness studio and I use Instagram to promote our classes and special events. And as we gain more followers, managing inquiries and leads manually has become challenging. And I often lose track of potential clients. So by automatically adding the Instagram leads to Zoho CRM, I can keep all the information organized in one place. And sending an automated WhatsApp message using WhatsApp by SNC as soon as someone expresses interest allows me to share class schedules, upcoming promotions, or even offer a free trial. This approach not only saves me time but also ensures that I engage with potential members, promptly increasing the likelihood of turning those leads into regular clients at my studio. So here to build this connection, I need to connect my Instagram lead ads with my Zoho CRM account and my WhatsApp by SNC account, so that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through my Instagram lead ads, then automatically the lead is going to be added as a record in my Zoho CRM account, and after that automatically an automated WhatsApp is going to be sent to that lead using WhatsApp by AI Sensei. And now here to automate this entire process, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus, it keeps everything organized and error-free so you can focus on growing your business hassle-free. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, then you can click on this sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. So here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as add Instagram ads leads to Zoho CRM and send automated WhatsApp message. And now I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more link given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and now here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So in my trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger application as Instagram lead ads. So Instagram lead ads are a type of ad that lets businesses collect information from potential customers directly within Instagram. When users clicks on the ad, they see a form where they can easily provide their contact details or answer questions without leaving the app. People use Instagram lead ads because they simplify the process of gathering leads, making it easy for users to sign up or express interest while staying on Instagram. It's a great tool for businesses looking to generate leads quickly and efficiently, reaching a large audience where they are already active. So in my Instagram lead ads trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new lead instant. So that whenever we are going to receive a new lead through our Instagram lead ad, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Or you can say that whenever we are going to receive the new lead through our Instagram lead ad, then automatically this entire workflow is going to get the triggered. And now here to connect my Instagram lead ads with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Instagram lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Instagram lead ads. But here before building the new connection, let me tell you that I've already connected my Instagram account with my Facebook page of my sports and fitness training center. So let me show you the connection by clicking on this settings option given over here. And here under settings, I'm going to scroll it little down, and here I'm going to select linked accounts. And here under linked accounts, you can see that I have successfully connected my Instagram account with my Facebook page. So now moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and now here to connect my Instagram lead ads account with Pabbly Connect, I'm going to click on this connect with Instagram lead ads. Here I'm going to select the Facebook account. And authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the page. So here I've already shown you that I have my Facebook page with the name Sports and Fitness Training Center. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to select my page that is named as Sports and Fitness Training Center. And now here after selecting my page, here it is asking me to select the lead gen form. So here to select the lead gen form, let me take you to my Meta Business Suite. So in my Meta Business Suite under lead ads form, you can see all the forms which I have created for my use till now. So in this case, I'm going to use my form which is named as lead form new. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to select my form as lead form new. So here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. And now here after selecting my page and the lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see after clicking on the save and send test request, here it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in the Instagram lead ad. So here to generate the test lead, let me take you to Meta for Developers. So this is the Meta for Developers, and from here I'm going to click on this My Apps. And here under My Apps, I'm going to select Tools over here. And here under Developer Tools, I'm going to select a tool that is Lead Ads RTO Debug Tool. And here under Lead Ads Testing Tool, you can see it is asking me to select the page and the form over here. So I'm going to select my page which is named as Sports and Fitness Training Center. And here for the form, I'm going to select the form as Lead Form New. And now here to generate a test lead, I'm going to click on this preview form given over here. And here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the preferred training program, I'm going to select the training as personal training, training goals as weight loss. And here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as Smart, last name as Lead, email as smartlead123@pabblytudes.com, and then I'm going to enter a random phone number. And now I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received the successful response where we have received the preferred training program as personal training, training goals as weight loss. Here you can see the first name as Smart, last name as Lead, email as smartlead123@pabblytudes.com. Here you can see the phone number and some other details over here. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. Now let's move to our action step. And here in this action step, I want to add the new lead received through my Instagram lead ads to my Zoho CRM so that I can keep a record of all the leads received. So in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as Zoho CRM. So Zoho CRM is a customer relationship management tool that helps businesses manage their interactions with current and potential customers. It's like a digital assistant that keeps all your customer information in one place, making it easier to track leads, sales, and communication. People use Zoho CRM because it simplifies the process of staying organized and building strong customer relationships. It offers features like email automation, sales forecasting, and detailed analytics, helping businesses streamline their sales processes and improve customer satisfaction. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, Zoho CRM makes managing customer relationships efficient and effective. So here in my Zoho CRM action step, I'm going to select my action event task, insert or update a record. So the that whenever a new lead is going to be generated through my Instagram lead ads, then automatically a new record for that lead is going to be created in my Zoho CRM account. And now here to connect my Zoho CRM with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Zoho CRM account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Zoho CRM. And here you can see it is asking me to enter the domain name over here. So here to get this domain name, let me take you to my Zoho CRM account. So here in this URL, you can see my domain name, that is zoho.com. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here for the domain name, I'm going to copy this domain name given over here, and then I'm going to paste it over here. So here I've successfully entered my domain name, and then I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see Pabbly Connect is requesting for the access. So here I'm going to click on this accept and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here you can see it is asking me to select the module name. So by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all the modules from which we can create a record over here. So here I'm going to select my module as leads over here. And now here after selecting the module name, here it is asking me to select the layout. So here I'm going to click on this drop down menu, and from here I'm going to select my layout as standard only. Moving forward, and then here it is asking me for the pipeline name. So in the help text it says enter existing pipeline, note only required in the case of record type deal. So we are not creating a deal over here, that's why it's a not required field, and we are going to leave it blank. So now moving forward, and then here it is asking me for the duplicate check fields and record image. So again these fields are not a required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank. And then here it is asking me for the first name and the last name. So instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever you're going to receive the new lead through our Instagram lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to map the lead's first name. So this is my lead's first name. Here I'm going to map the last name. So this is my lead's last name. Moving forward, and then here it is asking me for the designation. So it's not a required field, so I'm going to leave it blank. Here for the email, I'm going to map my lead's email. Here for the phone number, I'm going to map my lead's phone number. Moving forward, again this fax, mobile are not a required field, so I'm going to leave them blank. And then here it is asking me for the lead source. So here for the lead source, I can select any of the source given over here, but here it is not a required field, so I'm going to leave them blank. Scrolling little down, here for the lead status, again it's not a required field, so I'm going to leave it blank, but you can select the status as per your needs. Scrolling little down, and here you can see all the fields are not a required field, so here I'm going to leave them all blank. But if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received the successful response. That means we have successfully created a new lead, or you can say we have created a new record for that lead in our Zoho CRM account. So now let's go and check it. And I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new lead over here with the name Smart Lead and email as smartlead123@pabblytunes.com. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. Now let's move to another action step by clicking on this add action step button given over here. And here in this action step, what we are going to do is that we are going to send an automated WhatsApp message to the new lead received so that we can interact with that lead further. So for that, I'm going to select my action application as WhatsApp by AI Sensei. So by using that particular application, we are going to send a WhatsApp message to our leads. So WhatsApp by AI Sensei is a tool that enhances WhatsApp messaging for businesses by adding features like automated replies, bulk messaging, and customer support. People use it to manage customer interactions more efficiently, send personalized messages, and automate common tasks on WhatsApp. It's popular because it helps businesses stay connected with their customers on a platform they already use, making communication smoother and more effective. So here in my WhatsApp by AI Sensei action step, I'm going to select my action event as send template message. So that using a template message, an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to our lead whenever we receive a new lead through our Instagram lead ad. And now here to connect my WhatsApp by AI Sensei account with Pabbly Connect, I'm going to click on this connect given over here. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your WhatsApp by ISNC account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, you can see it is asking me for the API key. So I'm following the instructions given below. Here I've already logged in my ISNC account. And here in my ISNC account, I'm going to click on this manage given over here. And here in a manage, I'm going to select API key option given in the left side bar. Now here under API key, you can see I've received my API key. So I'm going to click on this click to copy button given over here. But if you want to regenerate the API key, then you can click on this regenerate key and generate a new API key for your connection. So I've already copied my API key. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to enter the API key. And now here after entering the API key, I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to enter the campaign name. So in the help text it says enter the name of the campaign that has to be sent to the user. That means here we need to enter the campaign name that we have created for our template message. And it also says it is to be noted that the status of the campaign should be live. That means here we need to launch a live campaign to get this campaign name over here. So here to launch the campaign, let me take you to my ASNC account. And here under my ASNC account, I'm going to click on this campaigns option given over here. And from here, I'm going to click on this launch button given on the top right corner. Now here under campaign type, I'm going to select my campaign type as API campaign. And here under API campaign, you can see it is asking me to give the name to my campaign. So I'm going to give the name as Fitness Studio Lead Message. And here for the template, I'm going to select the template that I've already created for this particular message with the name Fitness Studio. So this is my template, and here you can see the message which I've drafted which says, Hi, one. Thank you for showing interest in our fitness classes. We are excited to help you on your fitness journey. As a welcome, we'd love to offer you a free trial session. Simply reply to this message and we'll book your spot. Looking forward to seeing you at the studio, ABC Fitness Studio. So this is the particular message that I'm going to send to my lead. And here you can see I've used a variable in the place of name. That is because I want that whenever I receive a new lead through my Instagram lead ad, then automatically this previously existing lead name should be updated with the new one. Variables makes our text dynamic, and you can add multiple variables in your draft. So now here to launch my campaign, I'm going to click on the set live button given over here. And here you can see it says campaign has been successfully created. So let's move back to campaign. And here you can see the campaign that we have created, and the status of our campaign is live over here. So now I'm going to copy this campaign name given over here, moving back to my Pabbly's workflow. And here I'm going to enter the campaign name. And now here after entering the campaign name, moving forward, and then here it is asking me for the mobile number. So I need to enter the number to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. So I need to enter the number of my lead. So again here I'm going to map the mobile number of my lead. So I'm going to select the mobile number. So this is the mobile number, moving forward, and then here it is asking me for the username. So here for the username, I'm going to enter my lead's name only. So for that I'm going to select the first name first, space, then last name, moving forward. Again, the source and tags are not a required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank. But if you want to add any detail, then you can do it as per your need. And then lastly, here it is asking me for the template parameter. So here in this template parameter field, I need to enter the value of my variable. So here I have already shown you that I have used a single variable in my template. So I need to map the value of my single variable over here. That is the lead's name. So again here I'm going to map my lead's name, first name, space, last name, moving forward. And again this attributes, URL and file name are not a required field. So here I'm going to leave them blank. But if you want to add any of the detail, then you can do it as per your need. And now here after entering all the required detail, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. But here before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to replace this dummy user number with my original number so that I can receive a WhatsApp message. So here I've successfully entered my own WhatsApp number. So now moving forward, and now I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received the successful response where the success is true. And here you can see the submitted message ID. That means we have successfully sent a WhatsApp message to my phone number. So now let's go and check my WhatsApp. And here you can see the message that we have received which says, Hi Smart Lead. Thank you for showing interest in our fitness classes. We are excited to help you on your fitness journey. As a welcome, we'd love to offer a free trial session. Simply reply to this message and we'll book your spot. Looking forward to seeing you at the studio, ABC Fitness Studio. So here you can see we have successfully mapped the name of our lead in the place of the variable over here. And with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let's test our automation with a real-time example to check whether it is working or not. So So to test our automation, we need to generate another test lead in our Instagram lead ad. And to generate the test lead, let me take you back to my lead ads testing tool. So in my lead ads testing tool, I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one, because it says you can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So here to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead button given over here. And then I'm going to refresh my window, and that's a necessary step. And now again here it is asking me to select the page and the form. So here I'm going to select my page, which is named as Sports and Fitness Training Center. And here for the form, I'm going to select my form as lead form new. And now here to generate a new lead, I'm going to click on this preview form given over here. And now again here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the preferred training program, I'm going to select the training as senior fitness, and here for the training goals I'm going to select weight loss, and here for the first name I'm going to enter the name as latest, last name as lead, email as latest@pabblytudes.com, and here for the phone number I'm going to enter a random phone number. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. So now let's go and check our Zoho CRM account first. Here I'm going to refresh my window. And here you can see we have successfully created a new lead with the name latest lead, and here you can see the email as latest@pabblytudes.com. So now let's go and check our WhatsApp message. And here you can see we have successfully received a new WhatsApp message where we have received the name as latest lead and the same message body. So with this, we have successfully tested our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Instagram lead ads and our action as Zoho CRM and WhatsApp by AI Sensi. So that whenever we are going to receive a new lead through our Instagram lead ad, then automatically the lead is going to add as a record in my Zoho CRM account, so that I can keep the information of all the leads at one place, and after that automatically an automated WhatsApp message is going to send to that lead using WhatsApp by AI Sensi. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.